Good morning, final year chemistry students. Welcome to continuation of the yesterday class. Today we have started the inorganic chemistry. First chapter is inorganic reaction mechanism. In inorganic reaction mechanism, we have to completed labile and inert complexes. Labile complexes and inert complexes completed. Today I am going to explain about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reaction. In 7th paper, nucleophilic substitution reaction. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. Nucleophilic substitution reactions. In these reactions, in this nucleophilic substitution reactions, one ligand is replaced by the another ligand, or one nucleophile is substituted by the another nucleophile is called as nucleophilic substitution reactions. One nucleophile is replaced by the or changed by the another nucleophile, or one ligand is replaced by the another ligand is called as the nucleophilic substitution reactions. This nucleophilic substitution reaction, for example, you take the MX6, it is a complex compound, general reaction. M means metal, X6 equal to ligand, 6 ligand, 6 equal to coordination number, X equal to ligands. If it is addition with the Y minus, Y is incoming ligand. Here there is a two types of ligands are there. X, 6X are ligands and Y minus is also ligand. The Y minus is replaced by in the place of the X, or the X is replaced by the Y minus to form the MX. Only one X is eliminated, instead of X, Y is added. By Y plus X minus. This is called nucleophilic substitution reactions, or nucleophilic substitution reaction, nucleophile addition reactions, or ligand addition reactions. Depending on the mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution reaction, depending upon this mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution reaction, these are classified into two types. First one is the, depending upon the mechanism of these nucleophilic substitution reactions, the nucleophilic substitution reactions are two types. First one is the SN2 reactions. Number one is the SN2 reactions. SN2 means here the associative mechanism. Associative SN mechanism. SN mechanism. The second one is the SN1 reactions. SN1 reactions and the dissociative SN mechanism or reaction mechanism. There is two types. Actually, in these reactions, then the one ligand is replaced by the another ligand is called as the nucleophilic substitution reactions, or one nucleophile is substituted by the replaced by the another nucleophile is called as the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Depending upon the mechanism, this is the example, best example for the nucleophilic substitution reaction. MS6 is the complex compound or coordination compound. There is X is the ligands. This is the complex compound. When addition of the Y minus ligand or Y minus acts as the ligand as well as the nucleophile, then addition of the Y to the complex compound, then instead of Y, the x is eliminated as a x minus. Then the total number of species, total number of atoms present in the MX6, 1 metal, 6 ligands. If when we add the y minus, same m metal, x5, y6, instead of another x, the y is added. The total number of ligands is 6, 5 plus 1, 6, here is also 6 metal constant, x is eliminated. This is the replacement of the nucleophiles or replacement of the ligands. These reactions, one ligand is replaced by the another ligand is called, one ligand is replaced by the another ligand is called as the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Depending upon the mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution reaction, the nucleophilic substitution reactions in inorganic chemistry or in inorganic reaction mechanism, there is a two types. One is the SN2 reactions, means to represent the biomolecular, 2 means by 2, biomolecular, you have to read the right to left, biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. SN2 reactions means biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions are associative SN mechanism, associative nucleophilic substitution mechanism. And the second one is the SN1 reactions, one unimolecular or monomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Unimolecular means only one. The are dissociative nucleophilic substitution mechanism, associative reaction mechanism, dissociative reaction mechanism. There the SN2 means the SN2 reactions are second order reactions or biomolecular reactions. Means how can we define the SN2 reaction or SN1 reaction? SN2 means biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions are second order reaction. The rate of the reaction is depending upon the concentration of the two reactant molecules are called as the SN2 reactions or biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. The rate of the reaction is depending upon the slow step, not fast step. In slow step, there is a two reactant molecules are there, but the concentration of the, depending upon the concentration of the two reactant molecules, the rate of the reaction is depending upon the concentration of the two reactant molecules is called as the SN2 reactions or biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions or second order reactions. Here, SN1 reactions, the rate of the reaction is depending upon the concentration of only one reactant molecule is called as the SN1 reactions or unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. Now, coming to SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction, first one is biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. SN2 reaction. The nucleophilic substitution reaction concept is same. This one ligand is replaced by the another ligand is called as the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Depending upon the mechanism of the nucleophilic substitution reaction, these are classified into two types: SN2 reaction and SN1 reaction. SN2 reaction means biomolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. The SN2 reactions are associative nucleophilic substitution mechanism. In this, one new ligand or a new ligand Y minus, new ligand like this, Y minus is a new ligand. These are X equal to ligands, Y equal to ligands. In this MX6 complexes, there is no Y. The addition of the Y means it is a new ligand. A new ligand Y will be added to a slow step. In slow step, the Y minus added to a complex or a slow step to an octahedral complex. For example, it is an octahedral complex MX6. It is an octahedral complex. In a slow step, Y minus can addition to the octahedral complex. This is the octahedral. Octahedral means in which the complex compound having the coordination number 6 or 6 ligands, that compound must be octahedral. 6 ligands are there. Either X, Y, Z, whatever it may be, except metal, remaining all are ligands. How many ligands are there? Here 6 ligands, coordination number 6. That's why it is an octahedral complex. This octahedral complex, a newly coming new ligand Y minus can addition to the slow step, not fast step, to give an intermediate complex. To form an intermediate complex means mx6y. This is an intermediate complex. Addition in a slow step, the Y minus or new ligand is addition to the octahedral complex. It is an octahedral complex having the pentagonal bipyramidal shape. Octahedral, there is a metal, one metal, remaining 7 ligands are there. Pentagonal bipyramidal. Pentagonal bipyramidal shape. And coordination number here, the coordination number is 7. Here the coordination number is 6. Coordination, if it is consisting of coordination number 6 is called as octahedral, 7 is known as the pentagonal bipyramidal. This is the new ligand or nucleophile. This is the new ligand or nucleophile. Ligand or nucleophile. The new ligand. This is the unstable, is a stable compound. If the new ligand is addition to the octahedral complex to form a intermediate compound, is an intermediate complex, unstable intermediate. This is the slow step of the reaction. Okay. Now, in a fast step, the Y minus 6, there is no charge present in MX6, but X of ligands are present in this intermediate, unstable intermediate, shows the minus oxidation state. This is the minus state. Now, in a fast step, here the instead of Y, X is eliminated. Means mx5 y, only x is the eliminated as an x minus, like this. Final product is the like this x. Here is also octahedral. It is also octahedral. Means here is 6 ligands are there. Here is also except M, remaining all are ligands. 5 plus 1, 6 ligands. Octahedral complexes. This is the octahedral complex. In this reaction, it is a slow step and a fast step. Actually, the MS6 plus addition with the Y minus to form the MX5 Y plus X minus MX. There is an intermediate complex, is pentagonal shape of the molecule is converted into octahedral to pentagonal bipyramidal. Here the reaction rate of the reaction is depending upon the according to the SN2 or SN2 reactions or the second order reaction. How can we define bimolecular reaction? The rate of the reaction is depending upon the two molecules of the reactant, concentration of the two reactant molecules. These two reactant molecules before the slow step. called as the SN2 mechanism. Here in this reaction, the rate is proportional to rate of the reaction is proportional to concentration of the mx6 into y minus. There is here two reactant molecules are there. That's why the SN2 is represented as the 2 is represented as SN2. Bimolecular nucleophiles, these are nucleophiles. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reactions. That's why the SN2 reaction is known as the bimolecular nucleophilic. Hence, bimolecular nucleophilic reaction. In this reaction, the incoming ligand Y. This reaction, the incoming ligand. Firstly, here the see slow step and fast step. There is if the reactant molecules are to form the product in this reaction, the new ligand first addition to the MX6 molecule. Addition to the first gets associated here. The Y minus ligand is first associated with the MX6. That's why this nucleophilic substitution reaction is called as the associative mechanism. Associated with the complex. Hence, the SN2 reaction complexes. SN2 complexes or SN2 reaction of complexes is also known as the SN2 reaction complexes are also known as the associative nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism. The SN2 reaction means the rate of the reaction is depending upon the two concentration of the reactant molecules is called as the SN2 reaction. Best example for the SN2 reaction is octahedral molecule MX6. There is 6 ligands are there. The addition with the new ligand Y minus nucleophile. Instead of Y, the X is eliminated as the X minus. Before the formation of the octahedral complex to form the pentagonal bipyramidal structure, it is a unstable intermediate compound. The unstable intermediate compound to form in a slow step, then fast step, the unstable intermediate compound is converted into octahedral and eliminated as a X minus final product. This is the reaction. In this reaction, the new ligand can associated firstly. There is a first means slow step before the slow step. The new ligand first associated with the octahedral complex. That's why the SN2 reaction mechanism is called as the associative nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism. This is the reaction mechanism. Reaction and mechanism. This example for this reaction. To take the chemical example, associative pentamine cobalt bromide. Example for this. Pentamine cobalt Br. The structure name of -3. The name of the structure is bromo pentacyano cobaltate. Bromo pentacyano cobaltate 3 ion. Just example for SN2 reaction mechanism. Not like this general example, general reaction. It is a example for that reaction. It's a chemical reaction. The bromo pentapyano cobaltate 3 ion. This is the reactant molecules. If it is like Y minus, here the ligands are neutral ligand. Total 6 ligands are there. One negative ligand, remaining are neutral ligand. Instead of Br, OH minus addition of the OH minus to the this complex like Y minus to form final product is finally bromine eliminated and instead of bromine the OH minus is attacked. Same oxidation state, cobalt, pentamine cobalt, OH minus 3 plus the OH group is addition to the first reactant molecule. The bromine is eliminated as a Br minus like this minus. Now mechanism of this reaction. Mechanism mean SN2 reaction mechanism or associative mechanism. Associative means the OH minus mu ligand firstly associated with the reactant molecule. That's why it is associative nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism or SN2 reaction mechanism. The rate of the reaction is depending upon the two concentration of the reactant molecule is called as the SN2 reaction mechanism. Now here the mechanism is first of all cobalt bromopentamine cobalt. It is the reaction with OH minus in a slow step. The OH is also addition to the reactant molecule or enter into the coordination sphere to form pentamine. Already bromine is there. Now OH minus, but it is the minus 3 oxidation state. Next another minus is also add to this complex to form the minus 4. Is an intermediate like this example mx mx5 y6y like that. It is also one intermediate compound. Earlier we discussed the intermediate, unstable intermediate. This is the complex compound. Now R fast step, in a fast step minus Br minus bromine is eliminated to form this compound CONH3 OH. CONH3 OH. But here oxidation state is minus 4, but instead of there is no bromine. That's why same oxidation state like the reactant molecules. This is bromo, pentacyano, cobaltate, 3 ion. The hydroxy, pentacyano, cobaltate, 3 ion. This is the best example for the SN2 reaction mechanism. SN2 reaction mechanism. Now coming to SN1 reaction mechanism. Next one is the SN1 reaction. This is associative reaction. The SN2 is a dissociative reaction. Next SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction or dissociative SN mechanism. SN1 reaction coordination compounds are SN1 reactions. Here in this SN1 reaction, the octahedral complex undergoes to dissociated in a slow step. Associated in a slow step is called as the SN2 reaction. The octahedral complex is dissociated in a slow step. either in a slow step to give an intermediate MX5 having square pyramidal shape. Here the actually general reaction is MX6. In MS6, in a slow step, one ligand is eliminated. Instead of 6, MX5 is there. Loss of one ligand shows the one positive charge plus X minus. This is the first reaction. Here the unstable intermediate is there. This is called unstable intermediate. Unstable intermediate. The SN1, SN2 reactions. First of all, the octahedral complex or the new incoming ligand can addition to the octahedral complex. In this reaction, the negative ligand or any nucleophile can dissociate in a slow step to form an unstable intermediate. This is the slow reaction, slow step reaction. And in this slow step reaction, a fast step, for example, MX5 plus here the another instead of X minus, you have to add the another compound. For example, Y minus to form the MX5 constant. Y is also there. This is the addition. Firstly, slow step. This is the fast step. Slow step and fast step is there. Hence the unimolecular SN1 reaction. This is called the order of the total reaction. The rate of the reaction is depending upon the slow step of the reaction. But here the rate of the reaction is proportional to only the concentration of the MX6 concentration. That's why it is a SN1 reaction or first order reaction. Order equal to 1. Order equal to 1 first order reaction or SN1 reaction or unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. And in this unimolecular, in this reaction the complex first. In this reaction it is a octahedral complex. The complex first dissociated. First division or dissociated. That's why it is a dissociative nucleophilic substitution mechanism or unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction mechanism. How? Example for this, the chemical example for this. Chemical example. Aminochloroethylene, cobalt, ethylene diamine, ammonia, and the next one is the ammonia chlorine, the +2 oxidation state. This is called chloroamino bis. Bis means 2. 2 means bis or di. Bis means ethylene diamine, cobalt 2 ion, ethylene diamine, cobalt ion, cobalt 2 ion. This is the reactant using for the SN1 reaction. In this SN1 reaction is a chemical. For example, it is addition with the OH minus or OH minus acts as another one nucleophile. The addition to form the SN1 reaction product or dissociative nucleophilic substitution reactions products. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow continue the topic SN1 reaction.